Hey guys, welcome from Los Angeles. Here at a mall in Century City next to Beverly Hills. Just got British citizenship. Anyways, I'm gonna check out this place. Meizhou Dongpo. Asian, I'm really in the mood for Chinese. But it's in this little mall over here. Tons of foodie options for everyone. If you ever getting your British citizenship, it's just a quick walk over here. But let's go inside and check it out. All right, the menu. A lot of options on here. This one had okay ratings, but I'm in the mood for Chinese, so I'm gonna figure out what it's like. All right, guys, this actually looks really good. I'm very picky on my Chinese food. So we'll see how it goes. Give you guys an update on my first bite. All right, guys, food's actually really good. Nice ginger quality. Chicken's really good. The sauce is pretty thick on it, so it's a little sweet. But I would definitely give it a good 4.2 out of 5. I mean, this is definitely good eats. Alright guys, someone else got the ducky. Pretty cool to watch.